back, everybody. This is day 11. We have Ramzi sitting here, and we're getting ready to work on a little bit of distraction proofing and a little bit of desensitizing. Ramzi has some problems. In particular, whistles tend to trigger him. A lot of loud noises set him off, including vacuum cleaners and things of that nature. Now, what we're going to be doing is helping Ramzi learn that he can just chill out. Hey, sit. We're going to be helping Ramzi learn that he can just chill out and how to relax and how to ignore these noises. And this helps build focus on the handler. Now, this is going to help the owners when Ramzi gets home, because he's going to be less likely to freak out and pay attention to other loud noises, so long as they learn also how to handle Ramzi in these situations. Now, today we're going to be experimenting with several different things that Ramzi has anxiety associated with, one of which is whistles. So that's going to be our first session for the day. We're going to work with loud whistles. We're going to start this audio track here in just a second, and you're going to hear the whistles begin. As you can see, on day 11, young Ramzi's focus has grown to such a degree that the loud noises and loud whistles, specifically police-type whistles, when these things are beginning to occur, Ramzi now focuses on the pack leader, focuses on the human.
Okay, just let's go.
No, I haven't lost my mind. Actually, I'm mixing the loud sounds and black shoes darting around in a distracting manner. And you notice our young man Ramzi here is ignoring very well. It was a similar situation that led to the owner's grandson being bitten when a whistle was being blown, and a grandson started playing around on the floor in a really frantic manner. Slapping the ground led to Ramzi biting in the face. So this distraction proofing is going to help Ramzi be able to focus on who he needs to listen to find out what to do so he doesn't get in trouble.
大家不要停留了，再走起来，走起来啊！不要停留了，再走起来。
Now you saw a couple of corrections because his eyes were getting a little bit too intense with the ground slapping that was going on. And that's absolutely what our goal is here, is to help him learn when it's okay to be that intense and when it's not. Now we're going to introduce something else that Ramzi really does not like, but he has been learning to ignore. We will see how he does today. As you see, with whistles, he is improving quite a bit. With other loud noises, including in-car travel noises, he is improving quite a bit. And now we have the vacuum cleaner test. Me to knock the camera over in the middle of the vacuum cleaner test.
大家不要踢了，再多吃啊，多吃啊！不要踢了，再多吃啊！We will take you to the management office, okay? If you got the permission, you will allow to report it here. That's all. Oh, okay.
Now the panting you see isn't because it's hot in here. The panting you see is because of Ramzi's processing this new way of being. It is a little bit of stress that he's undergoing right now, and he's had some very long walks while he's been here at Camp Dog Trouble. And this panting that you see during this experiment, you'll notice that his tail isn't up between his legs. It is still out to the side here. You'll see that he is not in extreme fear. Otherwise, he would have bitten me. In this particular case, Ramzi is showing signs of mental exhaustion due to processing this new way of being. Now, we're going to give Ramzi a break. See, he's resting, he's relaxed. The vacuum cleaner is still sitting right here nearby. And even though he's alert, he is showing signs of being able to relax around loud noises. Now, we have to share with our dogs proper leadership in these situations. We can't say, oh, buddy, it's okay. Don't worry about the loud thunder. Don't worry about this. We can't share that. We have to be calm, and we have to teach them through our energy and our body language that there's nothing to worry about with these sounds. Now, you heard me throughout the process giving him corrections. You may have seen 1 or 2 leash corrections throughout the process to get him back to where he's supposed to be. Whenever somebody leaves the spot where we're working with them, where they are supposed to be staying, we're going to bring them back to the spot so that we can bring them back to the place where we want them to be. Now, in Ramzi's case, he's doing extremely well with desensitizing and with distraction proofing. And over the next couple of weeks, while Ramzi's continuing to go through the Camp Dog Trouble program, we're going to see an amazing improvement in Ramzi that his owners are going to be able to appreciate when they come pick him up in a few weeks. Now, I want you guys to tune in. Make sure you rate the videos, share them on Facebook or Twitter. Make sure you subscribe to the videos. I love watching that subscriber count grow, so make sure you subscribe, send me messages. And for me and my pack, and from Ramzi here, who's learning to ignore all kinds of crazy loud noises and vacuum cleaners, this is Jason with DogTrouble.net. Make sure you go by Facebook, look up Greenville's Dog Whisperer. Make sure you like us. Come by www.dogtrouble.net or give me a call at 864-248-6472. I'm able to help you with absolutely any kind of dog behavior problems, no matter how severe, from food aggression, dog or human aggression, nervousness, fear, anxiety, even fear of vacuum cleaners. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time.